Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that can help you to speak English at a social gathering with full confidence. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Hi, how are you doing today? It's great to see you. Have you met everyone here? What brings you to this gathering? Can I get you something to drink? Would you like some appetizers? So what do you do for a living? How's your day been so far? This is a great venue, isn't it? Do you come to these type of gatherings often? Have you been to this location before? What do you think of the food so far? Did you try the dessert? It's amazing. I love your outfit. Where did you get it from? How long have you been living in this city? Have you been to any interesting events lately? What's your favorite type of music? Do you have any vacation plans coming up? Have you been to any cool destinations lately? What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? Do you have any pets? What's your favorite type of cuisine? Have you tried any new restaurants in the area? What's your favorite type of movie? Have you seen any good films lately? Do you have any favorite TV shows? What's the last book you read? Have you read anything good lately? What's your favorite hobby? Have you been to any good concerts lately? Do you have any upcoming travel plans? What's the craziest thing you have ever done? Have you ever tried a new sport or activity? Have you been to any art exhibits lately? What's the most interesting place you have ever visited? Do you have any favorite authors? What's the most beautiful place you have ever seen? Have you ever done any volunteer work? What's the most exciting thing you have ever done? Do you have any favorite quotes? Have you ever been to any cultural events? What's the most inspiring book you have ever read? Have you ever been to any sporting events? What's the most adventurous thing you have ever done? Do you have any favorite songs? Have you ever been to any comedy shows? What's the most fascinating thing you have ever learned? Have you ever been to any science or technology exhibits? What's the most beautiful thing you have ever seen in nature? Do you have any plans for the weekend? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.